Ever wondered why we sneeze? Well, sneezing is actually your body's natural defense system. When tiny particles like dust, pollen, or even a strong smell irritate the inside of your nose, special nerves send a message straight to your brain, and the brain responds with a powerful command: clear it out, fast. That's when your chest muscles tighten, your eyes squeeze shut, and boom, air blasts out of your nose at up to 100 miles per hour. It's like your body's own emergency cleaning crew working at super speed. So the next time you sneeze, don't just say bless you, thank yourself and thank your body for keeping your airways clean and safe. Pretty cool, right? Follow for more quick facts.